If you were driving down the road and suddenly your car feels like it is dragging or your transmission is shifting with a mind of its own, you might be looking at a P281A code. This specific diagnostic trouble code means your transmission pressure control solenoid H is acting up intermittently, which is basically your car's way of saying that the hydraulic traffic cop inside the transmission is having a hard time staying on the job. These solenoids are critical because they manage the fluid pressure that allows your automatic transmission to change gears by engaging various clutches and bands at exactly the right millisecond. When solenoid H fails to communicate properly with the powertrain control module, you might notice your vehicle dropping into what we call limp mode, where it stays in one gear to protect itself, or you might even feel the transmission slipping or running way too hot. While this is a generic code that can pop up on everything from a Chevy to a Mercedes-Benz, the way you fix it can vary quite a bit depending on your specific powertrain setup. The first thing you should do is check your transmission fluid, because dirty or low fluid is often the secret culprit behind these solenoid issues. Take a look at the color and smell of the fluid on the dipstick. If it looks dark or smells like it has been burnt, that is a huge red flag that you need a fresh filter and fluid change before you start buying expensive parts. If the fluid looks okay, your next move is a thorough visual inspection of the wiring harness leading to the transmission. Look for any loose connectors, green corrosion on the pins, or wires that have been chewed by rodents or melted against the exhaust. You should always look up the technical service bulletins for your specific year and model, because sometimes the manufacturer has already released a software update or a specific repair procedure that can save you hours of head scratching. If the wiring and fluid are solid, you will likely need to test the solenoid itself with a digital multimeter to see if it meets the resistance specifications in your service manual. Just remember that what starts as a moderate shifting annoyance can quickly turn into a total transmission failure if you let it go too long. So getting a handle on that intermittent H solenoid signal early is the smartest move you can make for your wallet.